How do you determine whether or not an electronic circuit is balanced? Find out right now. Hi, I'm Dr. Bob. There are no lectures here. I just solve problems, homework problems to help you understand how to do them. Electrical engineering, at your service. We have a schematic diagram, and we're using ideal sources. That's a power supply voltage. This is a current supply, constant current. This is constant voltage, and the value of this voltage is 10 volt. The value of this current is 4 amperes. And then we have another current source here, which has 8 amps, and that connects there. And that is in line with a constant ideal voltage source, and that supplies 50 volts. And then in line with all of these is a dependent current source, and this is given as 3I0, and that is parallel to these two lines right here. So this has 4 amps going through it. The question is the interconnection in this figure valid? Okay, now we have to figure out if this is going to be valid. We have one way we can look at this is to make sure everything is going to balance out. We don't know the voltage drop across this current source, but we do know the current through this whole loop right here has to be this value right here, 4 amps. So everything going here is 4 amperes. This going here is 4 amperes, right? And then this one has 8 amperes going all through this line right here. 8 amps, 8 amps, and 8 amps. It doesn't go out beyond this. This is 3I0, and I0 is defined as the current going right there. Okay. So that means that since this is 4 amperes, this is 3 times 4 amperes. So this current source right here, and it's negative, right? It's going the opposite direction of this. So this is going to be 3 times negative 4, which is going to be minus 12 amperes. Alright, so that's, we have going this direction, negative 12 amps. Alright, so is this a valid circuit? We have 4 amps going into the, we're going to look at this node right here. We have 4 amps going into it here. We have 8 amps going into it here. And we have negative 12 amps going into it here. Now the thing is, negative 12 means really the current is going this direction. So we have 4 amps, 8 amps, and that balances with 12 amps in this direction. So this current, this circuit is balanced. We don't know the voltage drop here, or here. We don't know the voltage drop here. We know it's 10 volts. We don't know what this is. We know this is 50 volts between here and here, but we don't know what the voltage drop is there. It can be anything. And nor do we know the voltage drop between here. So voltage, we don't know what that is. So we're going to call this voltage V. We'll call it V4. We'll call this V8. We'll call this VI. We know that all of these are going to be the same. So V4 equals V4 plus 10 volts. Okay, so we have V4 plus 10 volts is equal to V8 plus 50 volts. But we don't really know what these V4 or V8 are. They could be anything. And these two are also equal to whatever this is. We're going to call this VI. So this circuit is balanced. Is it valid? Valid? Yes. Okay, so everything is good here. The next question is, can you find the total energy? can we find the total energy? And the answer is, of course, no. We know the power here, this is 10 volts times 4 amps, which is going to be, this is power, P1 is equal to 40 watts. But we don't know the voltage across this, so we don't know what that power is. And the current through this source is 8 amps. And those two together is going to be 400 watts, but we don't know the voltage across here, so there's some other power we have no idea. But we don't know the voltage here, so we don't know what the power is there either. The circuit is balanced, but energy, power, is equal to dW dt. So I'll write that down here. P is equal to dW dt, where W is the energy. In order to get the energy in this circuit, we need to know it's going to be P dt. We need a time. It's equal to dW. Well, we don't have a time here, so we have no way using this circuit. So can we determine the energy? No. We have no clue what the energy developed in this circuit is. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching my program. If you like my videos, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for an organized listing of my YouTube videos, go to my website, www.wherearemyplacebos.com, and click on videos. Have a great day.